Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Instagram Insights. But before that, if you are new, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified if I post another video. So without further ado, let's proceed with today's video. First, go over to your Instagram application. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom, just to lead you to your own Instagram account. Then at the top right corner, you will see a 3-line icon. Click that. After that, tap on the settings. Scroll down a little bit and there you'll find account option. After that, you have to scroll down and hit on the switch to professional account. Once everything is ready and you're already in your professional account, tap on the professional dashboard below your Instagram account bio. There, you will find your Instagram Insights and reach for the past days. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.